In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access apps. After that, click on App Lock. Choose Turn On and create your pattern that you will use to lock all of the chosen apps. When you finished, repeat it in order to confirm it. And select Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can log into your Xiaomi account or tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and choose Not Now again in the pop-up. Finally, if you want to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them, check for 0, and tap on Use App Lock then. Now you can tap on Settings in this pop-up to allow your fingerprint scanner to unlock your apps. If you don't want to do it now, just tap on Cancel. So finally, when I click on the switcher next to one of my apps, like YouTube, and then try to access it, I guess that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock from any of your apps, access exactly the same settings and tap on this blue switcher next to previously locked app. In order to disable app lock completely, click on this gear at the top right corner. Select this switcher, next to App Lock feature and tap on OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!